Well, we're at it again today, and we've painted the doors to the cabinets here, and Jerome is now putting them up. And you know, we have one over there, down here, and so forth. It's coming together. Never got at it yesterday because I was working, and it's one hot day today. Unbelievable. Anyway, I just finished scraping the windows and those cabinets, and Jerome is putting them up now. So I got some hot lights off of Amazon that I'm waiting for them to come in, and they're gonna go up there to replace those lights, and possibly up over there. Not 100% sure on that one yet, but yeah, we just like to get this done so we can enjoy a little bit of time in here during the summer. So we're gonna be moving into it in October. So yeah, we'd like to spend a bit of time here. So we're back at the trailer again today, and Jerome is busy putting the primary color on and starting to shape up here. Thank the Lord. Hey, babe.
Yes, lots of time in, but
yeah, lots of time in.
Better every day.
Yeah. And my other daughter Hillary mentioned to us yesterday we were going to keep the fridge the sandstone color, but she said, seeing all the other appliances are black, why don't you paint your fridge black? So that's what I'm in the middle of doing, and doing a few touch-ups around. So yeah, and then this morning, I don't know if you can see it out there, I went and stained the table. I got to put another coat on it yet. So yeah, it's coming along. What do you think, honey?
It's all good.
All good.
Lots of time.
Yeah.
Lots of hours.
Yeah, that's for sure. I'm working the night, so we're up here, well, it's relatively early, but yeah, every spare minute we can get, we're putting it into this because we want to try to enjoy it a bit this summer too, you know, come up here on the weekends. So yeah, we're getting her done. First coat, not too shabby. Awesome idea, Ree.
Good morning, folks. We're back out to Cape St. Mary's again. We came out last year, but the birds were gone, so hopefully they're here today. A little foggy. Hopefully we can see them. So we're going to give it a try.
Lots of people here today. busload over there. The Dr. Leslie M. Tuck Center. Home to see the birds.
Oh yeah, we've seen.
Oh my glory. You don't have to walk all the way out there, do you?
Well, it's only right there, but it's only 10 minutes.
Oh, it always entails a load of walking.
Ah,
Yeah, that's just like me now to be jogging. All bad enough. We're gonna get closer, but this is what you're looking from this angle. Thousands of them down there.
it's beautiful out here.
Windy.
Nice to also it's not too hot.
No. All the birds just down there swarming around. Yeah, just swarming around me. I don't know if you can see them or not. The water is beautiful today. Just a little color of it. And we are still walking. I'm all the way over there. I don't even know if you can see it. How many people can guess if I'm a walker or not? Oh my, I don't like to walk. And I'm still walking. Whew. There's Jerome on up ahead of me. I told him to go on ahead of me. I can't keep up with him. He's used to walking a lot. There's some beautiful flowers here all along the way. I guess these are irises maybe? I don't know. Anyway, it's just like beautiful country. This area of it, folks, is really rough and rugged terrain. And I didn't wear my hiking boots. I have these on my feet today. So, if you're ever coming out to here, to the Bird Sanctuary, make sure you have your hiking boots on. Or something nice and it's going to support your ankle. See what I mean? You really got to watch where you're going. Almost here, everybody. You can see the birds. If you can hear them or not. That's where we walked from, way over there. And this is unbelievable. The birds that come to migrate here every year. Lots of people. Ooh, something on your head.
Let's go finish with the babies. We're going to open the water.
Wowzers. Here's my hubby. Wow, wow, wow. Gannets, are they?
A lot of different birds.
A lot of different birds. Gannet's a big one though. Funny how they just cling to the side of the...
Yeah. They're all down there too.
What do you think?
The little ones down there. Beautiful.
Little ones? Oh yeah, right down on the edge. Crazy. Oh, there's them all down here. Holy moly. Little blackbirds down there.
With the white fin on.
Oh, it's hard to see. I can't see it on the camera. He's down so low too, and I got a humpback whale. He's down really low. Oh, you just see his white fin there.
He's coming up there now.
Oh,
There he is. Right there.
there he is.
Right there. Yeah. See that? Not
Wow.
very big.
It's only a small fella.
Yeah, that's true. Could be really big.
Wow. So, I'm beat out, and we're only a quarter of the way.
Well, we finally got to see the birds. Apparently there's only
Can't see if you're in there now.
it's only 4 different types of birds there right now.
Birds, turds, and tiddlywinks.
And the guy told us down there, he said, "There's a bird left here today, go to Greenland, and he's back by tonight."
Unbelievable.
That's how fast he is.
Wow.
That's it. That's all I gotta say.
I can't wait to get back to the car. That's what I gotta say. Anyway, here it is. Seems so close, but yet so far away. This is really, I don't know, but this is a hard walk for anybody not used to walking. And I have knee and hip problems, so it's I find it even worse. But you just can't pass up the scenery. It's just absolutely gorgeous out here. Anyway, it's a beautiful day here. Oh, I think it's 23 down here. I believe it might be 26 in town. I'm not sure. But the fog is starting to roll in here. So we were told to get down and see the birds while we could. Once the fog comes in, you can't see nothing. Anyway, that's it. I'll get back to the car soon enough, I hope. Located at the southwest tip of the Avalon Peninsula lies Cape St. Mary's, one of the most spectacular seabird colonies in North America. Naturalists and lovers of the outdoors have been amazed by the whirling clamor of the 70,000 seabirds and the giant whales. Since 1983, it has been strictly protected as a provincial ecological reserve. The sea cliffs are the main attraction at Cape St. Mary's. It has the largest gannet colony in Newfoundland. You'll also see thick-billed mures, or as we here in Newfoundland call them, turs. As well, you'll see bald eagles, ravens, and other predators, and black-leg kittiwakes, razor bulls, and cormorants, and many more. And the breathtaking views along the way are just to die for. Just remember to wear your hiking boots, because it is a rough trail. Well, I hope you guys really liked this video today. Give us a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And please subscribe, and YouTube should notify you each time we upload a new video. Thanks so much for watching, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.